Hello, I'd like to talk about deformers in this recording, and I'm going to start with an example we saw in class. So, I have a cylinder, add a bunch of subdivisions, and put the cap as well, and we'll make it a little taller. The height. Okay. Then we're going to take another cylinder, and if you want to duplicate the cylinder and have it still have the controls that your original has, you go duplicate, duplicate special, duplicate input graph, and I like to have assign unique names to children nodes so that everything runs a little smoother. So I'm going to take another one, rotate it. -90, and scale it. So we have this stretchy shape, and then grab these two, Boolean operation, and Maya shows you this kind of orange outline, which is to just let you know that you can still manipulate those shapes. So we have this. All right. So in my previous videos, I talked about smoothing. So that's hitting 3 automatically smooths your object. And I talked about how you need to have clean topology. Like, what I mean by that is the lines kind of have to echo the underlying shapes, the underlying gestures in your form. Otherwise, you get these kind of nasty artifacts. And once we start introducing deformers, that's going to become more important. So, mesh, retopologize, and we're going to turn on, for this instance, preserve hard edges. All right, so here we have our cylinder again, but now you can see that the lines kind of echo this outer ring. They're not perfect. It's never going to be as good as doing it by hand, like a moment right there. But now when I smooth it, it looks much nicer. And more importantly for this video, if I add a deformer to this, let's say nonlinear form twist, it will distort in a nice, clean way, right? Especially if I hit smooth. It's got a lot more, it's going to look a lot better. So that's that. And there's many different deformers. They are in this deform nonlinear menu. There's a million other deform shapes that you would get into if you were doing like facial performances, or more effectsy kind of things. But I think for this, sticking to this set here is enough. So I'm also going to do a flare. Okay. And that. Now it really feels like it's being stretched, and the topology is nice and smooth. All right.